up, YouTube? I'm back on the camera, whatever. Y'all already see. I'm all, look natural and raw. This is me right here. It's raw. I ain't putting on no fit to be on the camera. Y'all see me right here, okay? First thing first, by the title, I'm doing an empty, unfurnished apartment tour for you guys. It's been long overdue. Definitely long overdue. So I was like, let me show y'all whatever. Let's get back into my life. I said I was going to get back on YouTube. Every time I say it's just certain stuff that just be interrupted. So I said, let me just do it. Look at the little shadow behind me. But we're going to do the empty apartment tour so you guys can see the apartment or whatever. And then, yeah, we're going to do that. And then we got more things coming up. I just want to say, if you guys want to see extra little stuff about me, make sure you guys comment down below. Also, make sure you guys, before we get into this video, follow all my social medias on Instagram. I've been on TikTok heavy now, so go follow that. Everything will be in the description below, but it is IamKrishan.p if you guys want to follow my journey and just see what I got in store for you guys. So, let's get into this apartment. I just thought it wouldn't be right if I don't know what this is. It wouldn't be right if I didn't start it off right. So this is entering in, okay? This is entering my apartment. So let me just show y'all the living room. Let me, see if I can go a little bit. So this is the living room here. Okay, no furniture yet. I only been here 2 months, but literally, I'm not gonna lie to you. I have not been focused on furniture right now. I've been lifing, okay, just working and chilling, okay. But we're gonna get some furniture in. I'm thinking this month. So nice, cute, whatever. It has a ceiling fan that comes with it. Then we're gonna turn around here. Okay, this is the door, hallway closet right here. Boom, boom, boom. We'll go close that back up. Oh, y'all already see something in the kitchen? But okay. Kitchen has a nice little island right here. Love it. Stools right here. It is not all decorative or whatever, but it's something. Here's your kitchen. Well, my kitchen. Kitchen. I love that it has a digital thermostat, so this is definitely good. Right now it's off because it's a little bit cold outside. Pantry, don't have nothing in here as well. So let's close that back up. But yeah, here's the kitchen or whatever. I just love this vibe. Like, it's fire or whatever. Lots of space in cabinets, because literally my last apartments did not have all this space in here. Did not. So then I have this deep sink. I love this sink right here. Fridge right here. We're not even gonna open that, the embarrassed, but it has a ice maker inside. It's just very lit up inside. What we say, good vibes only in the kitchen only. You feel me? All Whirlpool appliances. Did I say it right? Whirlpool appliances. And then dishwasher right here. I said, okay. My first apartment with a little dishwasher, whatever. Okay. Then we can head on to this part. I'm turning on the lights. This is like the laundry area type thing. Hallway closet, whatever you want to call it. I said hallway closet. Hallway little entry. It has washer and dryer or whatever. I just keep like my laundry supplies right here. Just anything that got to do with laundry. And then just extra storage up top. This big old thing of tissue and paper towel. Shout out to Grams. And then we have my mop bucket. And then I need to get the thing that hangs. But just like my brooms and stuff, that's going to be on the side of here. Boom, boom. Head into the bathroom. It's me again. Okay. Bathroom. Okay, I got my stuff. I want to get like a tray that has my stuff. Just stuff something that's just nice and neat. Like I said, I only been here for like 2 months. So I'm still getting things, together, whatever. And yeah, just seeing what I like, what I want to see, because I really do want to decorate this place, and I am. So just seeing or whatever. Shout out to my phone. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get a tray for that, but this is it. And then it's extra space here, cabinets. I just keep, a little extra stuff, little cleaning stuff down here. I usually put like my hair stuff in here, like my do-rags and grease and stuff. My do-rags are in a washer, so yeah. And then just extra storage here. Hygiene stuff like toothpaste, toothbrushes, extra stuff like that in there. Then I have a mirror with what's the name in there? So yeah, just nothing important in there. And then towels and stuff also get washed and stuff. Extra tissues up top. Yeah, so this is where like my face towels and body rags and stuff, and then I put my actual towels here. Like I said, they're getting washed. I threw a lot of them in the washer, so they're getting washed right now. Boom, boom, boom. Regular standard toilet. Whoop the whoop cleaner. Here's my shower or whatever. Beautiful, nice or whatever. Nice shower. Okay. And I like that this tub is very deep. Like I forgot what it's called, a garden tub, I believe. Yep, nice garden tub. There. And then heading on out to the bathroom, my bedroom. Like I said, I don't have everything. Let me take off my shoes because we don't do shoes on the carpet. This is my room or whatever. Yeah. I need to get a headboard for my bed. That's what I need to do. House shoes. And then closet. Here's my closet, whatever. Okay, and I like that it has these cubbies. I'm washing my tank tops right now, so a lot of tank tops right here. Underwear, just I can't even say it. But just my extra stuff here, like hats, if I got glasses, and I put my wallet up here, and keys. Socks and stuff, just little extra Nike bags, pants, and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the room. It has a ceiling fan in here as well. TV, bomb. Okay. And then I want to get some pictures. Just comment down some ideas what you think I should do with this apartment as well. Turn off the lights because we saving around here. Okay. But yeah, this is, and I love that it has so much light that just comes into it. Literally, it has the best light that comes into it. So this is the apartment. Oh, I do have a balcony now, whatever. Let me just show y'all how it looks from here. Okay, have a balcony. And it's a little chilly out here, so we're gonna make it quick. Have a balcony now. I'm gonna show y'all I don't want to show y'all too much, but this is the outside. Okay. Whoop. Now, the balcony. This is my trash can for like my valet trash or whatever. This is my regular trash can over there. But when I take my trash out, I just literally carried it and take it outside so the valet people could take it, and I put it back out here. So this is the balcony. Y'all see I got my pumpkin out here because I created that for Halloween. And then I have a storage spot just for extra stuff. You turn on the light in here. This is very convenient as well when you have extra stuff that you need to put in there. So yeah, the balcony is actually a really nice size if you ask me. Everybody always say, oh my God, that's such a big balcony. Yeah, I really want to get to decorating the balcony pretty soon, like clean it off, and then of course clean it off, and then just like add like whatever. Like I really want to add some stuff. I turn off the light and stuff. Oh, there you guys have it. That is my empty, unfurnished apartment tour for you guys. So then I would say I'm gonna do a video of probably just decorating the apartment or just it being fully furnished. Also, the amenities that come with it as well. It has a pool. This apartment has like two sides of it. So it has a pool. It has, of course, comes with a gym. You have to use a gate to come in, like a pusher on my key to come into the side of the gate. What else? Oh, the leasing office have a oh my God, can I speak today? Has a movie theater, and then the other side has a golf simulator. So that's pretty coming clutch. I said movie theater. Have you ever seen a movie theater in an apartment complex? Not I. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna close out the video. Here's my empty apartment tour. Like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video. And I keep forgetting to look to the camera. So if it looks like I'm looking like this way, promise you I'm just looking at myself. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you guys would like to see any other videos, make sure you guys go follow me on all my social media. I am Chrishawn.P. It'll be down below in the description. And also make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on my YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, and make sure you guys stay blessed.